Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we transform, create, DIY and decorate. Now in today's video I won't be doing any DIY, but we're going to transform, create and decorate my bedroom space. You can call it a clean with me video. So my bedroom is a hot mess and this video is long overdue. So let's get right into it. I want to take this time to thank you all for tuning into this video. Thank you for all the persons that have been with me from the beginning. Yes, thank you all. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't get the motivation and the drive each week to create a video. I have been posting videos a year now, and I just want to give you all the love, the thanks, because you guys making me do this. So hope you love this clean with me video as well, and thank you even to the persons who haven't subscribed but keep watching my videos. Please remember just to subscribe, hit the like button so that YouTube can see that your girl is working, and it gives me more engagement so that they can push out my videos more. So let's get right into the cleaning of this bedroom. hope you like this clean with me video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment what you think about this rearrangement of furniture and clean with me. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next video.